let's change gears, okay? Because there's another opportunity, and that's in the IPOs. And I have IPO Edge. IPO Edge is a phenomenal newsletter. Just go to my website, hillarykramer.com, and you are going to learn about IPO Edge. I find the IPOs either before they go public. Most of the time, I find initial public offerings maybe when they're still trading in Toronto before they come down and they trade on the NASDAQ, or I put you in IPOs that I see that the market forgot about because they were so busy buying up Lyft and Uber and trying to figure out how to get WeWork public, which it never did. And I just sneak in there and get you into some great companies, including, we have Silvergate, which is, that's a financial institution for cryptocurrency, and there we're up 1,200%. 1,200% in IPO Edge. What do you like? I mean, I'm excited about Coinbase, even though I'd be nervous to be buying Bitcoin. I respect anyone who wants to buy it. What I'd rather do is buy the exchange that handles the Bitcoin. I am very excited. I'm very excited about Instacart, because I think that as a post-pandemic stock is going to, as a pandemic stock, it'll become just as important as a post-pandemic stock.
Yeah, and I think that, the pandemic's changed a lot of the way we do things, right? So that's a company that's probably going to do very well in the future. It's going to be really hard to lose the convenience that you've all of a sudden gotten accustomed to, right? Things just show up at your house. What do I like? There's a couple companies that haven't announced that they're going to IPO they're going to IPO, but I like Rivian. Look for Rivian in the future. It'll be an IPO Edge.
Rivian's really important. We really love it. It has a role very similar, to Fisker Microvision. What would you say the role is of Rivian?
Basically, they're looking at making trucks, EV trucks. They're going to try, and they're backed by both Ford and Amazon. So you can imagine with that kind of money behind it and that kind of expertise. I mean, Ford is a legacy car maker. I mean, they're not in it to lose. Right? They've been around forever. So, and I think that those companies are going to be on the lookout.
Okay, so Rivian, not yet public, private company. We're going to figure out if you can get in early, but it looks like it'll probably be at the IPO. We're going to be all over that with IPO Edge, letting you know, as well as on the show. So you want to get in there. Again, I like Coinbase. I think it's going to be phenomenal.
Instacart.
I think Instacart is certainly going to be a long-term winner. I think last year's IPO, Airbnb, is going to come back with post-pandemic. And I think that then there's some story stocks that aren't necessarily the right valuation, including Oscar, which just went public on Friday. This is Hillary Kramer, the Millionaire Maker, and we're going to be right back with a lot more stocks and opportunities that you are going to want to buy in this very difficult, volatile stock market that can still make you a millionaire.